Hello creative buddies, welcome back to Flying with Art. Today I am sharing a unique idea of this traditional Chinese boat called sampan. Consists of this sailor, and this decorative item can be used for different purpose like an incense stick or agarbatti stand, candle stand or jewelry holder for keeping your watches and keys. So let's get started. For this project I use my homemade ceramic clay. Getting started by using aluminium foil for making base of the boat. If you are here for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notification for more such creative videos. Once I get proper shape, I'm using white glue so that I can stick my homemade ceramic clay for covering this aluminium sheet. After evenly distributing the clay, I'm smoothing it with water. Also sticking snakes of clay on the outer edge of the boat and then smoothing with water. In order to give a curved shape to the boat, I am using two identical bottles and putting underneath it and using a tool to give a wood log-like texture. I let it dry for 24 hours. To add a shelter-like design to the boat, I am using disposal cup and cutting in this shape like so. Now sticking this portion of disposal cup to the boat with the help of white glue and also covering it with clay. Now using skewers to make shelter. I am using two skewers and cut them into two so that we have four skewers and sticking them with the help of clay and glue. Now designing part of the boat is complete. I am making its sailor. So using aluminium foil again and making a base for the sailor. Also making base for its Chinese head. Again rolling sheet of clay to cover the foil structure. After smoothing it, I am adding a portion of clay to make its face. This time I am keeping its face simple since it is very small. Also giving a beard to him. Adding more clay to make its hand and giving him a sitting like posture. Now making a hole using a tool so that we can later use it as agarbatti stand. Now sticking it with white glue and also covering its head with the clay. Now sculpting part is complete and comes the painting part. I am using acrylic color for painting this project. First using brown color. Giving some shades of grey. try to give it an old dainty sort of look, so giving some shades of cream to it, giving some shades of rust to it, and removing excess with the help of tissue paper. Now using a sandpaper and sanding only the edges, so to give it an antique frayed sort of look. Using some white color for upper portion of the sailor. Using black color for the lower portion. Using beige color for the skin. Now using dark beige for its head and making some pattern using brown color, giving it a weave-like pattern, and finally sticking its head with white glue and sticking a piece of jute cloth taking from jute sack to make shelter. For decorating it, I am using 2 toothpicks which serves as rudder and a little bundle of jute rope. And this completes our uniquely cute project inspired from Chinese culture. If you like this project, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share your valuable feedbacks. This decorative item can be used in multiple ways. Firstly, you can use it as agarbatti stand or incense stick holder, also as candle stand. Secondly, it can be used to keep your jewelries, your rings, your earrings, your watch and your keys. Subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notification for more such creative videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.